Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm doing some pork chops and hash browns for our supper out on the Blackstone Griddle, and I was planning on corn. Back up, possum. I was planning on corn, so I'm like, I'm going to fry some corn out there. So since we're leaving to go out of town in a few days, I have some things that I kind of want to use up and cook up. So I've got 2 cans of whole kernel corn that I just drained. I went and got a couple of jalapenos out of the garden that I chopped up. Have some cherry tomatoes out of the garden that I chopped up. And I have a bag of chopped broccoli that was frozen, that's thawing. I'm just going to add that in there too. Get it all used up. Okay, back up. And excuse my baby. She's checking things out. And then what I'm going to do is just pour a little bit of this same stir-fry oil because it's infused with garlic and herbs and stuff. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there, toss to coat, and that way the seasoning will stick to it. Back up. And that'll help with the flavor too. It's really hot, been really hot. Of course, it's the summertime. So I can just cook everything, my whole meal, out on the griddle. It won't take long. And we are really, really, really enjoying it. So I guess I'll just call this fried corn and veggies. So I'm going to add a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of my dried parsley, and some pepper. And I'm going to give that a good toss. And then I'll meet you outside at the griddle. Okay, tonight I have my whole meal cooking on my Blackstone Griddle. I got my pork chops. Everybody loves the hash browns now since I've been cooking it. And tomorrow's my daughter's birthday, so she requested for me to make hash browns. And right there I'm going to put the corn. So look, everything, one big cleanup, and that's it. And it'll be an easy cleanup because my grill's all seasoned and stuff. So now let's get the corn going. And I have that side turned down to low. I forgot to add that with my corn, I'm adding some green lima beans. These came out of our garden. We just had a small little helping that was ready. So I cooked these just a little bit, drained them, put them in my refrigerator, and I'm going to add them to the corn. Why not? I guess I'm making like a succotash or something. I am going to put down some oil. That looks good already to me, and I can smell the garlic where I've coated it with a little bit of the same stir-fry oil. So I'm going to let this sit, keep tossing it. I'll cut the camera on every now and then and show you, but it won't take long to heat everything through. And to get, I want a little bit of char on some of it, because that's where the flavor is to me. And I'm about to call this done. Everything's warmed through. Got a few little marks on the tomatoes and such. So it is so hot out here. So I will meet you outside for the taste test. And there's my hash browns. I take the ring off before I flip them. And then if they're cooked perfect on the bottom, they'll flip real easy. Okay, everything's done. It didn't take that long to cook. So I'm just going to get me tri-bite out of the pan. Get me a little bit of everything except the jalapeno. Now that is pretty good. tastes fresh, like out of the garden. So I needed to get rid of some stuff and cook up some food before we left. And this was perfect. And like I say, my whole meal cooked on the Blackstone Griddle. Didn't take long. Now all I have to do is just go clean up the griddle, and that will take 10 seconds. It's really easy clean up because it's seasoned proper and everything. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. Have you made some throw together stuff or whatever yet? And if you did, what did you make? So I'm just going to call this fried corn and veggies, I guess. But anyway, thanks for watching. Until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.